SureBrick Installation Guide. SureBrick is exceptionally easy to install, and this guide will show each step required for perfect installation. SureBrick can be fixed to multiple back wall types, including SFS, timber frame and concrete. Step 1. Fix the bottom rail back to the supporting secondary structure. Vertical supporting rails or battens should be at a maximum of 600mm centres. Ensure it is level and positioned to suit the intended brick coursing. Step 2. Slot the additional rails into position. SureBrick rails are supplied with 2 offset rows of pre-drilled fixing holes at 25mm centres. This provides multiple fixing choices for ease of installation. Up to 5 rails high can be positioned prior to fixing. Bed joints can be opened by up to 2mm prior to fixing if required. This allows for construction tolerances and enables accurate alignment with windows and doors. Where cavity drainage is required, gaps should be left between rails to incorporate perpend weep vents. Step 3. Fix back all the located rails to each vertical member. Repeat the process for another 5 courses. Where soldier courses are required, horizontal supports are introduced and the rail simply turned through 90 degrees. At external corners, bend every second rail around the corner and fix on both elevations to create a robust corner. Alternate rails are abutted. Bend the rail by taking 2 small notches out with a grinder, circular saw or hacksaw. Any angle of corner can be created in this way. Step 5. To install the brick slips, offer the top slot of the brick into the rail locator. Tap the bottom of the brick with a rubber mallet to locate into place. The brick is now fully secure. Step 6. If required, adjust the horizontal position of bricks to achieve the correct perpend spacing. Step 7. Slot external corner pistons into the rail, ensuring the perfect brickwork corner. Step 8. Once all bricks have been located, point the joints with SureBrick pointing mortar and any mastic seals can be completed.